Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I'm sure you've heard of before. It is Bragg Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. It's a really great product. Growing up, my mom always used apple cider vinegar with the Four Seasons dressing pack to make our Italian dressing at home, and I always liked it. I love vinegar in general, but apple cider vinegar probably has the best benefits for you. I mean, white vinegar, red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar, they're all super yummy, tasty, great for so many different things, dressings to cook with. But Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar is super, super healthy for you. There's so many, I don't know if I have time to go over all the benefits during the video, but if you just go on Google and type apple cider vinegar, there's so many things it could do for you, especially if you have it in the morning to jumpstart your metabolism. And I always I keep trying to do it, and then I'll like try to do it every morning, and then I'll forget sometimes. And I think you're supposed to have it before your meals, so I think it's beneficial no matter what, but I think that's when it's the most beneficial. So even if you don't do a shot of apple cider vinegar like a lot of people do, as long as you get it in there somehow. I know my mom's cooks it soup with it, and where you just, like I said, put it in your salad dressing. You won't even know that you're drinking it because a lot of people hate it and think it's disgusting. I don't. I like the taste of vinegar. It really doesn't bother me, but it does, I feel like after a while I was taking the shots of it and it was burning my esophagus, which of course scared me. So I'm I need to take this down a notch, and I need to just, have it with hot water or cold water, or just try to fuse it a little bit. So Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar, unpasteurized and naturally gluten-free. It is USDA organic. This is with the mother, but I have no idea what that means. Kosher, go organic, made from organic apples. You could purchase this in really any grocery store. I think even some drugstores now. And then of course the easiest, online, deliver it right to your door. It's unpasteurized and naturally gluten-free. This is non-GMO project verified. 16 ounces. Health Crusader since 1912. Go organic, made with organic apples. Nutrition facts. Serving size is 1 tablespoon. Servings per container 32. Or 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. 0 calories. 0 calories from fat. Total fat 0 grams. Saturated fat 0 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Sodium 0 milligrams. Potassium 11 milligrams. Total carbs 0 grams. Protein 0 grams. Ingredients: certified organic raw apple cider vinegar and purified water diluted to 5% acidity. Refrigeration is not needed. Shake well before using. Shake it up. Distributed by Bragg Live Food Products Incorporated, Box 7, Santa Barbara, California. Certified organic by Organic Certifiers and product of the USA. So I definitely encourage you guys to try this out. Apple cider vinegar miracle health system, 9 million in print. Bragg, over 9 million in print. Internal and external health toxic, control weight and banish obesity. Definitely helps with this. It says apple cider vinegar is nature's healing miracle. Learn these powerful health qualities for a longer, healthier, youthful life. Bragg Vinegar Book, only $12.95 post-paid to Health Science. Definitely suggest that you guys take the $13 and purchase this book. You won't be sorry. And then vegetarian health recipes for super energy and long life to 120. 700 plus recipes. I'm vegetarian, so of course I'd be interested in this. Bragg books are gifts for life. Very true. Featuring delicious, nutritious raw foods and cooked vegetarian recipes. Bragg Vegetarian Health Recipes book, only $16.95 post-paid to Health Science. Use address above. Also receive free Bragg seasoning samples. So I think that's pretty awesome. Oh, and then there's a lot of other things on here. Bragg Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar is made from the finest, delicious, healthy, organically grown apples. Raw apple cider vinegar is full of zesty, natural goodness and contains the amazing Mother of Vinegar, which occurs naturally as connected strand-like chains of protein enzyme molecules and is highly regarded throughout history. In 400 BC, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, use it for its amazing natural qualities. Bragg's organic vinegar adds healthy, delicious flavor to salads, veggies, and most foods. Tasty, even sprinkled over popcorn. And then there's a Bragg organic vinegar drink, delicious, ideal pick-me-ups at work, at home, work, sports, and gym. Perfect taken 3 times daily upon arising, mid-morning, and mid-afternoon. 1 to 2 teaspoons of Bragg organic vinegar in an 8-ounce glass of purified water and sweetening, optional to taste. 2 teaspoons organic honey, 100% maple syrup, blackstrap molasses, or 4 drops herb stevia. That actually sounds really good. Gotta try that one. More Bragg live food products to try: apple cider vinegar drinks, Bragg all natural non-GMO liquid aminos, sprinkle 24 herbs, spices, kelp seasoning, Bragg organic extra virgin olive oil, Bragg nutritional yeast seasoning, Bragg organic dressings and marinades, organic apple cider vinegar, and honey blend. As a natural product, color and flavor may vary. So I encourage you guys, it's very, very healthy to try apple cider vinegar. I'm like trying to push this on my parents more. I know my mom cooks with it, but I want her to take the apple cider vinegar shots every day. So try out Bragg organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. I know you're going to love it, and I hope you found this video useful. Thanks, guys.